Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Sunday, December 15th, 2024. The main impact today, we're going to have lingering eastern mountain snow through most of the day with winter storm warnings still out along the Wyoming border. It will be windy this morning, especially in the Snake River Plain as well. Here are the key points. Again, the snow in the eastern mountains, additional accumulations 2 to 4 inches. Locally, possibly up to 6 additional inches. Across mountain passes, it will be drying elsewhere. And we'll have gusty 25 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts this morning, mainly in the Snake River Plain, also the southern and eastern highlands. We will have diminishing winds this afternoon as the cold front continues to push east. The next impact, we're going to have some more accumulating snow Monday through Tuesday, but lighter mountain amounts than this weekend. Generally expecting under 2 inches in the Snake River Plain and some 3 to 8 inch amounts in elevations above 6,000 feet in the Monday and Tuesday time frame. Looking at the satellite loop, you can see this big system which affected us this weekend starting to push east. A lot of the cloud cover starting to diminish across extreme western, southwestern Idaho, but again, a lot of moisture remaining in the eastern mountains, which again is where most of the snowfall will occur through today. And here's the weather risk outlook. Again, some moderate impacts with, again, snow continuing in the eastern highlands, light snow, southeast, Lost River area, and again, other regions. Again, this snow will be ending, and again, no impacts for the most part. It will be windy across the Snake River Plain, especially this morning. And then some minor impacts with the next system, both Monday and Tuesday, with light snow and snow expected. Heaviest snow probably in the Sawtooth, eastern highlands once again. And again, generally under 2 inches in the Snake River Plain, southern hills, and other low elevations. And looking at the national forecast map, here's the cold front into central Idaho this morning. Again, most of the snowfall is going to be in the eastern mountains today. And as we get into tomorrow, again, showing mixed precipitation widespread across Idaho. Again, with heavy snow pushing into the Sawtooth, Sun Valley region. But again, I think most of this mixed will be snow over Idaho both Monday into Tuesday. High temperatures today, colder than yesterday, generally 20s in the mountains, 30s throughout the valleys. And here's the morning wind gust. You can see 35 to 40 miles per hour in the interstate corridor, Burley to Pocatello, to Idaho Falls and Rexburg, and some stronger gusts in the eastern highlands as well. But as we get into the afternoon, you can see these have diminished greatly by 5 p.m. Generally, the only gusts down to 20 to 25 across the Snake River Plain and very light elsewhere. So again, these windy conditions are going to be mainly in the morning hours. And here's the precipitation amounts through 5 p.m. today. You can see the heaviest stuff, Island Park, down through the Wyoming border and some of the Bear River Range above 0.2 of an inch. But again, under 1/10 most everywhere else. And as we get into Tuesday, this is today through Tuesday morning. You can see widespread amounts, 1/10, even in the Snake River Plain, up to 0.2, and some half-inch liquid amounts as we get to Stanley, into Island Park, the Mountain Loop. So again, we are going to start seeing that snow today, or Monday and Tuesday. Snow accumulations through 5 p.m. Again, heaviest amounts. Again, about 3 inches Island Park, some mountain passes, may see up to 6 inches, but again, should be diminishing through the day. You can see the central mountains, not significant amounts either. Low temperatures tonight, some single digits, mountain valleys, teens generally, most other areas. And high temperatures Monday, again, near seasonable to slightly above, generally 30s and 20s in the mountains with mid to upper 30s across the Snake River Plain and southeast mountain valleys. And some 6 hours snowfall amounts. Monday, you can see some 3 to 6 inch amounts from Sun Valley to Stanley across Galena Summit. Very light amounts through the day Monday in the extreme eastern areas. And as we get into Monday afternoon, evening, you can see you're starting to get into the 1 to 4 inch amounts in the eastern mountains, starting to taper off across the central mountains. And then Tuesday morning, again, most of the snow mainly in the eastern mountains by then in Snake River Plain. And you can may see upwards of an inch across the Snake River Plain, locally up to 2 inches. And the total snowfall all the way through Tuesday, again, we're looking at some 6 to 8 inch amounts, Sun Valley to Stanley. Generally a trace upwards of 2 inches across the Snake River Plain. And again, 9 inches Island Park, and again, the Bear River Range upwards of 6 to 12 inches as well. So again, not expecting quite as heavy amounts Monday, Tuesday, but again, could cause some travel problems, absolutely. So anyone driving Monday, Tuesday could see some snow-covered roads. Quick look at the 8 to 14 day outlook. Again, it looks like we're going to have a ridge building in. So again, the 22nd through 28th covering Christmas Day. Pretty much everywhere west of the Mississippi looking like a really good chance of above normal temperatures. And again, precipitation, basically equal chances above and below normal, slightly better chance of above normal in the central mountains. So again, looking milder as we get into the last week of December. So again, summarizing, lingering snow mainly in the eastern mountains. For the most part, 2 to 4 inches. May see a few locally higher amounts across mountain passes. Gusty 25 to 40 mile per hour winds, mainly this morning in the Snake River Plain. Those will be diminishing this afternoon. And another system with some more accumulating snow Monday through Tuesday. Generally under 2 inches in the Snake River Plain with some 3 to 8 inches amounts in elevations above 6,000 feet. So again, fairly active through the early part of the week. Again, if you have any questions, contact us at the number listed below 24 hours a day, or visit our website and social media sites. Thank you, and everyone have a good day today.